games. O pag tinawag kayo sa games, ha? Very special guest. Itong special guest ay nakikita sa Siko. Please welcome, Boca!
Bago pala. Palakpakan naman muna si Neil. Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the St. Joseph's Academy Together Again, batch 1986. Hey, everyone. It's a great achievement. I'm so right. So, before we go to the raffle, sige, wag muna because I think they're still preparing for the awarding. Why not start the games? Okay. Mag-start na tayo sa games, ha? Boys and women and men, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, please join our games, okay? Una nating game, Lourdes. Tapos si it's Annie, okay? And then Anne, where's Anne? Nothing new, okay? Or unless may pupuno si Miss Amri. Ako na ako special na regalo matatanggap. Ang mananalo, yung partner mananalo will have an overnight stay at the Manila Hotel. Sa lobby. We would like to call Miss Wen and Miss Marlene. Please come over here. So, kailangan pala talagang may talong. Oh, wala. I'm just following orders here. Okay. Ayan, dinidistribute pa ni Neil ang mga talong, ang mga eggplant. Oh, wow. Okay. Parang gusto ko ako na lang umupo. Ladies, the men are all ready. Unahan sa pagkuha ng talong. Ay, nakakatuwa ito. Oy, the ladies must dance. Sayaw mga babae, sayaw. Excuse me, Lord.